If you're a family who loves to paint and draw and make things, you probably have so many creations in your house you don't know where to put them all. And it can be really hard to decide which ones to keep. So today I'm going to show you how to make a creation safe. This is a special creation storage place where you can keep the things you really want for as long as you want. I'm Aideen and welcome to Playful Pathways. Now, to make a creation safe, the very first thing you're going to need to do is work out just how much space you've got. So your creation safe might look something like this, or maybe like this one. Or if you're really lucky and you've got loads of room, then maybe you even have one like this. The important thing is, once kids and grown-ups have agreed on a creation safe, you can decorate it. Kids, this is where you're going to keep all your favorite pictures and drawings, so make it your own. This is mine. Now, before you start to decorate, I need to explain the two golden rules of the creation safe. 1, kids get to decide what goes in and what doesn't, what you keep and what you don't. Grown-ups are not allowed to throw out anything that's been put inside the creation safe. 2, when it's full, it's full. That's it, no more room. At this point, you really need to have a look at all the things that you've put in your creation safe and decide which things you want to keep and which things you're happy to give away or throw away or recycle, so that you can make space for new creations. Now, it might be that there are a few other places in your home where you can show off creations, like a special shelf or a picture frame or on the fridge. But once those places are full, it's the same deal. You've got to decide what you're going to keep and what goes so that you can make space for new things. I hope you like this idea. It should make it much easier for young artists to really think about and choose which things are important and which things aren't. Thanks for watching. Let me know how you get on with your creation safes in the comments below. If you want some more ideas on creations you can make, have a look at these videos, and if you like them, please subscribe. Finally, if you want to join the Playful Pathways community, have a look at my Patreon page. See you soon.